to our presentation on utility hazards and controls in industrial operations. Utilities such as water, air, power, thermic fluid, fuel, steam heating media, brine cooling media, and inert gas purging media are critical for industrial processes but can pose significant hazards if not managed properly. Here's a comprehensive guide to managing utility hazards and implementing safety controls. Water systems. Water systems can face hazards like leakage, dripping, freezing in pipelines, and corrosion of equipment. It's crucial to conduct regular inspections for leaks, ensure proper insulation of pipes in cold environments, and provide emergency water supply systems such as overhead tanks. Separate piping for process and fire water, with deeper suction for fire water pumps, enhances safety measures. Air systems. Air systems pose risks such as contamination from dust, water, or oil, and high pressure leading to bursts or jet action causing static charge. To mitigate these risks, implement air filters, pressure cut-off switches, safety valves, and pressure gauges and regulators to ensure a clean, dry, and bearable pressure air supply. Proper earthing and bonding of steam pipes were used to heat flammable materials further enhance safety. Power systems. Hazards in power systems include electrical shock and fire hazards from short circuits or overloading. To safeguard against these dangers, ensure proper insulation and protection of electrical cables, avoid loose or hanging wiring, and use 3-pin plugs, double earthing, and circuit breakers, ELCB, for added safety. Thermic fluid systems. Thermic fluid systems can lead to fire, explosion, and hot burns from splashes. Safety controls include installing pressure relief valves, PRV, pressure gauges, and safety valves on thermic fluid heaters. Strict adherence to statutory provisions, such as Rule 61D of Gujarat Factories Rules, is essential to prevent accidents. Fuel systems. Fuel systems pose hazards such as combustion byproducts, ashes, fly ash, dust particles, and pollution. Prefer eco-friendly fuels such as LPG or natural gas over conventional fuels like coal or furnace oil. Implementing safety devices on fuel storage tanks and pipelines further reduces risks. Steam heating systems. In steam heating systems, hazards include high pressure and temperature leading to bursts or back pressure in vessels. Controls should include pressure relief devices, high-pressure temperature alarms interlocked with heat sources, standby cooling water pumps, and overhead water tanks for emergency cooling. Brine cooling systems. Hazards in brine cooling systems include corrosion and contamination. Ensure proper insulation of heat exchangers, compressors, and chillers, and conduct regular maintenance to prevent leaks and contamination. Inert gas purging systems. Inert gas purging systems pose hazards such as oxygen depletion in confined spaces. It's critical to ensure adequate ventilation, provide oxygen monitors, and implement interlocks to prevent unsafe conditions during purging operations. Mixing of utilities. Mixing incompatible utilities, example, steam water with reaction mass, air with flammable materials, can lead to serious hazards. Use double isolation or double block and bleed valves where necessary to prevent accidental mixing and ensuing risks. Emergency preparedness. In emergency preparedness, hazards can arise from utility failures and environmental factors such as natural disasters. Maintain compressors, condensers, and standby equipment for immediate use during emergencies. Conduct regular safety audits and provide comprehensive training to personnel on emergency response procedures. Environmental considerations. Environmental hazards include pollution, regulatory non-compliance, and adverse health effects on nearby communities. Minimize environmental impact through proper management of fuel combustion byproducts, use of eco-friendly fuels, and strict compliance with environmental regulations. Worker safety. Worker safety is paramount, considering exposure to hazardous environments and risks of injury or illness from improper handling of utilities. Provide suitable personal protective equipment, PPE, for handling utilities, conduct regular training on safe practices, and implement health monitoring programs for workers exposed to hazardous environments. By implementing these controls and measures, industrial facilities can effectively manage utility hazards, ensure operational safety, and protect both personnel and the environment.
This is all about today's topic. Thanks for watching Funny EHS Info. And don't forget to subscribe our channel to get immediate notification of our videos. Share our videos to your friends and colleagues to create safety awareness. If you have any questions and requirements, please comment in comment box.